Are you tired of feeling weak and losing muscle mass as you age? What if there was a simple solution that could help you maintain your strength and vitality as you enter your golden years? Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized and ready to take on the day with renewed vigor. In this video, we will reveal the secret to maintaining your physical prowess and discuss the game-changing food that can make it happen. So seniors, eat this before bed, or your muscles will keep disappearing. Let us dive into the surprising truth behind this age-defying food and discover how you can incorporate it into your daily routine for a better, stronger you. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health and wellness tips. As we age, it is common to experience a gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. This phenomenon, known as sarcopenia, can lead to decreased mobility, frailty, and an increased risk of falls and fractures in older adults. But what if there was a simple and delicious way to combat this age-related decline? Enter cherries. These small but mighty fruits are packed with nutrients that can help maintain muscle mass and strength as we age. Cherries are a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that play a vital role in supporting healthy aging. They contain compounds called anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to muscle loss and age-related diseases. Additionally, cherries are an excellent source of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C, all essential for maintaining strong bones and healthy muscles. But how exactly do cherries help preserve muscle mass and strength? The answer lies in their unique bioactive compounds. One study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming tart cherry juice for 8 weeks led to significant improvements in muscle strength and power in older adults. Another study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine showed that consuming a tart cherry supplement improved recovery time and reduced muscle damage in athletes following strenuous exercise. These findings suggest that the bioactive compounds in cherries, such as anthocyanins, can help reduce muscle damage and inflammation, leading to improved muscle function and strength. In addition to their anti-inflammatory properties, cherries also help regulate the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This can improve sleep quality and help the body recover from exercise more efficiently. Furthermore, cherries are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles and has been shown to improve sleep quality in older adults. By consuming cherries before bed, one can potentially enhance the quality and duration of sleep, allowing the body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue more effectively. To reap the benefits of cherries for muscle preservation, it is recommended to consume them regularly, preferably in the evening or before bed. A simple way to do this is to enjoy a small bowl of fresh cherries as a snack or dessert. Alternatively, one can consume tart cherry juice or extract supplements. It is important to note that while cherries are generally safe for consumption, individuals with allergies to pollen or other plants in the nightshade family should avoid them. Turmeric is a golden-hued spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. As we age, our bodies accumulate damage from oxidative stress, which can lead to inflammation and age-related diseases, including muscle loss. Curcumin's antioxidant properties can help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body, potentially slowing down age-related muscle loss. Moreover, curcumin has been shown to improve muscle function and recovery in athletes. For example, a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that supplementing with curcumin improved muscle strength and reduced muscle damage in weightlifters. Another study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition showed that curcumin supplementation enhanced exercise capacity and reduced inflammatory markers in older adults. These studies suggest that incorporating curcumin into one's diet may help maintain muscle mass and strength by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, curcumin also helps regulate cellular processes involved in muscle protein synthesis, leading to improved muscle growth and repair. By consuming turmeric or curcumin supplements regularly, seniors can potentially support healthy muscle function and reduce the risk of age-related muscle loss. However, it is important to note that curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body, so it is often best to consume it with black pepper or other spices that enhance its bioavailability. Quinoa is an ancient grain that has recently gained popularity as a superfood. Due to its exceptional nutritional profile, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to increase their protein intake. As we age, maintaining a sufficient protein intake becomes crucial for preserving muscle mass and strength. According to the dietary guidelines for Americans, older adults should consume between 10 and 35 grams of high-quality protein at each meal to meet their daily requirements. Quinoa is a great option for providing a good amount of protein without excessive calories or fat. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains approximately 26 grams of protein, making it an ideal addition to a muscle-preserving diet. In addition to its high protein content, quinoa is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and well-being. It is a good source of magnesium, which is important for maintaining strong bones, and vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. Moreover, quinoa is low in sodium and saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy alternative to traditional grains such as rice and pasta. By incorporating quinoa into meals, seniors can ensure they receive adequate protein and essential nutrients. It's necessary for maintaining muscle mass and reducing the risk of age-related diseases. Whether enjoyed as a side dish, salad, or breakfast porridge, quinoa is a versatile and nutritious grain that can complement a balanced diet aimed at preserving muscle strength and overall vitality. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are renowned for their high omega-3 fatty acid content. These essential fats play a vital role in maintaining healthy joints and reducing inflammation, which can contribute to age-related muscle loss. Omega-3 South have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the muscles, leading to improved joint health and reduced pain. By consuming fatty fish rich in omega-3 South, seniors can help maintain healthy joints and reduce the risk of age-related conditions that may limit mobility and muscle function. In addition to their anti-inflammatory properties, omega-3 South also support brain health and cognitive function. Studies have shown that a diet high in omega-3 South can improve memory and reduce the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. This is particularly important for older adults who may be at risk of cognitive impairments. Furthermore, fatty fish are a good source of protein, providing approximately 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength, and omega-3 South can enhance the absorption of protein in the body. By including fatty fish in a balanced diet, seniors can help preserve muscle mass, reduce inflammation, and support cognitive function as they age. It is recommended to consume fatty fish at least twice a week to reap these benefits. However, individuals who cannot consume fish due to allergies or other reasons can obtain omega-3 South through supplements such as fish oil or algae oil. When choosing supplements, it is important to follow the recommended dosage and consult with a healthcare professional if any concerns or questions arise. In conclusion, seniors who want to maintain their muscle mass and strength as they age should consider adding these for bedtime foods to their diet. Cherries, turmeric, quinoa, and fatty fish are all excellent choices that can help reduce inflammation, support healthy muscle function, and improve overall health. By incorporating these foods into a balanced diet and avoiding processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol consumption, seniors can help preserve their muscle mass and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes to your diet and lifestyle. Start incorporating these muscle-preserving foods into your routine today and enjoy the benefits of increased strength, improved mobility, and a better quality of life tomorrow.